Good morning, dear students. So, let's begin chapter 4 Mangoes Round the Year. I will be reading the chapter and follow them in your textbook. Let's begin. Wow, Aman's lunchbox has sweet puris. Hey, today Neetu has brought potato sabji. I have got bindi. Oh, Neetu, I think your potato sabji is spoiled. Don't eat that, you may fall sick. Here, you take some bindi. Discuss. How did Aman know that the potato sabji had got spoiled? Have you ever seen some food that has got spoiled? How did you know that it was spoiled? Preeti told Neetu not to eat the potato sabji. What would have happened if she had eaten it? Right. Look in your kitchen and write down names of food items that can get spoiled in 2 to 3 days, can be kept for a week, would not spoil till 1 month. Look at your friends' list and discuss in the class. Will your list be the same in all seasons? What would change? When food gets spoiled in your house, what do you do with it? Biji returned the bread. Aman's Biji went to the market to buy bread. The shop was very crowded. The shopkeeper picked up a packet of bread and gave it to Biji. She looked at it and returned it immediately. Look at the picture of the bread packet here and guess why Biji returned it. How did she find that the bread had got spoiled? Find out. Look carefully at 2-3 packets of food items. What can we know from what is written on the packet? When you buy anything from the market, what do you look for on the packet? How does food get spoiled? The whole class can do this experiment together. Take a piece of bread or roti, sprinkle a few drops of water on it and put it in a box. Close the box. See the bread or roti every day until you find some changes on it. Make this table on a chart paper and put it up in the classroom. Fill up the chart every day after discussing the changes seen. Find out the reason for these changes. From where did the fungus come on the bread? Different kinds of food items spoil due to different reasons. Some foods spoil soon, some stay good for long. List some seasons and conditions in which food spoils quickly. Given below are some food items and some simple methods by which these can be kept fresh for 1 to 2 days. Match the correct pairs. This is a homework for you. Submit your answer as comments below in the video. Let's continue. Summer treat. Mamidi Tantra. Chitti Babu and Chinna Babu live in Atreyapuram town in Andhra Pradesh. The brothers spend the summer holidays playing in the mango garden when the trees are full of fruits. They also like to eat unripe mangoes with salt and chili powder. At home, their mother cooks unripe mangoes in different ways. She also makes many kinds of mango pickles. The pickles last through the year until the next mango season. One evening, while having food, Chinna Babu asked, Amma, we have so many mangoes. Make some mamidi tandra for them. Their father said, making mamidi tantra needs 4 weeks of hard work. If you both promise to help us every day for the next 4 weeks, we can together make the mamidi tantra. Both the brothers quickly agreed to help. The next day, both the children went to the market with their father. They bought a mat woven from the leaves of a palm tree, poles of casuarina tree, string made of coconut husk, some jaggery and sugar. Amma found a sunny place in the backyard. Both the brothers made a high platform by using poles. They spread out and tied the mat on that platform. The next day, Appa chose the most ripe mangoes. They took out the mango pulp into a large pot. Then they strained the pulp through a fine muslin cloth to remove the fibers from the pulp. Then Chitti Babu crushed the jaggery till there were no lumps. They added the jaggery and sugar in equal amounts to the pulp. Chinna Babu mixed the jaggery and sugar well with a big spoon. Amma then spread this pulp into a thin layer over the mat. The thin layer was left to dry in the sun. In the evening, they covered the mat with a clean sari to avoid any dust. The next day, they again took out some mango pulp. They added jaggery and sugar into the pulp. Then they spread the pulp over the previous day's layer. This work was given to both the brothers. Both of them together spread many layers over it. For the next 4 weeks, they hoped that it would not rain. For 4 weeks, they added layer after layer until the jelly grew 4 centimeters thick and looked like a golden cake. After some days, Amma said, "The Mamadi Tantra is ready. We can take it out and cut it into pieces tomorrow." The next day, the mat was brought down from the platform. Mamadi Tantra was cut into smaller pieces. The brothers tasted it. It was tasty. Chinna Babu said, "Wow, how tasty. After all, we have also helped in making it." Right. Why was sugar and jaggery mixed into the mango pulp and dried in the sun? Why did Appa first choose the most ripe mangoes to be used for making the Mamadi Tantra? How did the brothers make the Mamadi Tantra? Write down step by step what they did for this. What things are made in your house from ripe and unripe mangoes? Make a list of all the different types of pickles that you know about and share with your friends. Find out and discuss. Is there any kind of pickle made in your house? What kind of pickle is it? Who makes it? From whom did they learn to make the pickle? What all things are needed to make any one type of pickle in your house? How is the pickle made? Find out the recipe and write. How are these things made in your house? Papad, chutney, badiyan, sauce. It is a 2-day journey by train from Pune to Kolkata. If you were to go on this trip, what food items would you carry with you? How would you pack them? Make a list on the blackboard of all the packed food. What food would you eat first? So we have come to the end of this chapters. Let's discuss what we have learned. Glass jars and bottles are dried well in the sun before filling them with pickles. Why is this done? Do you remember what happened to the bread in the experiment? To eat mangoes round the year, we make different items like pickle, aam papad, chutney, chikki, etc. List some other food with which we make different things so that we can enjoy it throughout the year. So we will discuss the summary of the chapter in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned, read this chapter thoroughly and make your short notes. Thank you.